Okay, good day, ladies and gentlemen. In this video, we're going to run through the different ways we can slice, sort, and filter our tables. Basically, this is going to be the practical version of the slide deck that you just saw. What I've got here is a database that we've already set up. I've just got some basic cars details in there. And in fact, if I just click on the Run button now, you can see that we've got a select star from cars, which just does a data dump. I've got two Fords, two Toyotas, all of various prices. Okay, so this is my make, my model, and my price columns. Okay, so the first thing we're going to look at is I'm going to do a slice. Okay, so you should remember that a slice is a vertical slice, which means don't show me all the columns. I only want to see one or two columns. And in this case, I wanted to see a make and a price only. Or I could just want to see the model and the price. Or maybe I want to see the price first and then the model. Or maybe I don't want the field to be called the price. Maybe I want to call the field the retail price. So the data in the table hasn't changed. All that's changing here is the way that I'm presenting the data of that table. We've got exactly the same columns in the table, but I've just selected different columns, put them into a different order, renamed them if I needed to. Okay, so that's doing the basic slice. The next thing I'll look at is how we do a sort. I just want to see the model and price. Okay, you can see that they're 150, 180, 130, 250. So I want to see what's the least expensive car. So order by price. And now I can see that the Fortuner is at 130, the Explorer is at 150, Expedition is at 180, and Land Cruiser is at 250. Because I haven't specified whether something is ascending or descending, then it'll default to being ascending. So if I want it to be descending, and now I can see that the Land Cruiser is the first item because it's the most expensive, and then it goes all the way down. We can also sort by more than one field. So I want to sort by the make, and then by price. And in fact, just to make this easier, I will also put the make in the slice fields. So now we can see that all of the Fords are together, and then the most expensive Ford is first, and then all of the Toyotas are together, and then the most expensive Toyota. So you can see we can get some pretty complicated sorts together just by using these very simple commands. Finally, we'll just look at filtering. So if I decide I only want to look at Ford cars, I'm going to say where make equals Ford. When I run this, now I can only see the rows that match this criteria where make equals Ford. So Ford Explorer, Ford Expedition, 180. I could also say, for instance, I want to look at all Fords where the price is greater than 170, and then I've only got one Ford there. Or maybe I wanted to combine everything that we've done so far. So I want the make, model, and the price from cars, where things are Fords, but I'll just list all of the Fords, but I want to order by price descending. So that gives me all of the Fords, and the most expensive one is first. Okay, so that is a very quick walkthrough of how we use the select to slice, sort, and filter our data. You'll need all of this in the upcoming assignment, so I look forward to seeing what you produce. Take care.